Not this boy.
He has no fears.
Very well adjusted he is.
So is this boy.
Yeah, Pink is good
Purple,
too.
purple.
She's a fighter. She's a great, but she's definitely
Being the smaller one.
learned to fight. Right, being the smallest, she learned to defend herself all the time. So she's an aggressor.
Everybody's in the pool with you.
How do we get back in? There's just got to be a way back in. She'll figure it out and everybody will be out again.
Pretty in her face.
Very pretty.
Hey, I want that upgrade. They move too fast.
In the blink of the eye, so will they. Was it only 2 weeks apart? Well, no, 3, because they just turned 7 weeks on Friday. These guys are 7 weeks last Friday. Today is Sunday. And these ones just turned 4 weeks today. Hey guys, you want a different stuffy? Here, you want to check this one out?
You found this secret hide? When? By changing it on him.
Up and over.
Out of here. I'm not waiting around.
Wait a minute, this side worked before. Oh, okay. No, I'm all alone.
Yeah. You got your own time. You got through.
That tail go.
Slippery. It's not good for you. How about you hang out with me? You want to hang out with me too?
Pink.
Yes, George. And you're all by yourself.
God, you want one kiss? Some noise. Oh, God. I like that noise. Can you hear it again?
What is
What is that? How did that make that noise?
He is. Oh, Moose. Big moose.
He is huge.
Big moose. Okay. A big moose. You're not a big moose. You're a snappity girl.
She's a good girl. Who's a good girl? Yes, she's a pretty girl. Pink. I want to be bigger.
I got dog nose in my mouth.
Speed demon. Hello, purple. Racer, speed racer. You can come to mind. Blue, big boy. Pink and stripe. Oh, and there they go again.
Keeps himself entertained.
He does. He's a good girl, Stripey, as you are. Where'd they all go? Hey, Pink. Hello, my pretty lady. And Purple.
They don't look like my mommy.
Now it's time for investigating, it seems. Started investigating everything. Wish I could move around as quickly as they do. No, you can't have my camera. Maybe you can have a picture though. I can't do both. Puppies. Puppies. Hello, my good girls. Oh, and they know how to sit already. All of the bigger puppies. They know to sit when they're getting their food and their water. They're good puppies.